Hi, this is Gary Heslin once again talking to you about automobile insurance policies. Today's question is, what is uninsured motorist coverage? First of all, let me tell you that I consider uninsured motorist coverage to be the most important coverage that you can purchase on behalf of your family. Why? This is the insurance coverage that's going to protect you if you, your family members, or any friends in your car are injured by an uninsured motorist. Now, you may or may not be surprised to know that there are a lot of people in the state of Pennsylvania, particularly in the city of Philadelphia, that drive without automobile insurance coverage. Now, what happens if you get involved in an accident with one of those people and you, family member or friends, are injured? Are you going to be able to be compensated for your injuries? The answer is probably no, unless you have uninsured motorist coverage. Why? Well, practically speaking, if somebody's not responsible enough or doesn't have enough money to purchase automobile insurance coverage, they're probably not going to have any assets that you can attach to be compensated for your injuries. So in that situation, you probably won't recover anything. Now, what can you do to protect yourself? When you buy automobile insurance, make sure you purchase uninsured motorist coverage. This is an optional coverage, meaning that the insurance company has to offer it to you, but you do not have to take that part of the policy. I recommend that you do. It is a very affordable part of that insurance policy which will protect you sometimes in dire situations. Let me give you an example. Let's just say you and your wife and your 3 children are driving in the city of Philadelphia and you're involved in a very serious accident where a lot of you are injured. You've been injured by not only an uninsured motorist, but an uninsured motorist who is intoxicated, and this happens to be his 7th conviction for drunk driving. Well, where's he going? He's going to jail. And if he had no insurance coverage, then you're not going to be compensated for your injuries unless you had uninsured motorist coverage. As an example, I checked an insurance policy from 2011. This insurance policy had a $100,000, $300,000 form of coverage on that policy. Basically, what that meant is that any individual involved in an accident in that car would be compensated for $100,000 worth of damages possibly, and that everybody in the car could be compensated for up to $300,000 for the injuries they receive. The insurance coverage, the cost of that insurance coverage in 2011 for 1 year was $16. Do you really think you can afford not to get that type of insurance? I'll be talking about this in days to come on other lectures, but for now, I want to say goodbye and please take care.